So this is a luxury room at the Sofitel Terminal 5 at London's Heathrow. Just a very quick room tour. So we've got tea and coffee making facilities, restaurant room service menu, ice bucket, the wardrobe. We've got extra pillows, washing gown, storage. Down here is your safe. Meeting bar with complimentary water. Take a look at the bathroom. Got a full shower with rainforest head, shaver's mirror, full length mirror. Looks like they've got Balmain toiletries. There's also a number of vanity kits and bathtub TV, which is nice and handy. Full size bath with shower wand. So this is a king size room. You've then got a armchair and footrest. Really large desk area for doing your work. It's probably what, 42, 48 inch TV. Loads of space, and then views outside down into the courtyard.